What's the meaning of body popping? Body popping. Body popping.
Body popping. Body popping. Body popping is a style of dance that originated in the 1970s and involves the rapid contraction and relaxation of muscles to create a series of jerking movements. The dancer isolates different parts of their body and manipulates them in time with the music, often accompanied by popping sounds made by the joints. The resulting effect is a visually impressive display of control, precision, and agility. Body popping has since developed into a broader genre of street dance, incorporating elements of hip-hop, funk, and electronic dance music, and continues to be a popular and influential form of dance expression around the world.